If you find yourself banned from using Stripe, you may want to appeal the decision. This guide will help you understand the steps to take in order to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Carefully read the email or notification you receive from Stripe regarding your ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will help you address the issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary documentation and information related to your account and the transactions in question. This may include transaction records, communication with customers, and any other relevant data that supports your case. Step 3. Draft your appeal. Write a clear and concise appeal letter. Start by stating your account details, then explain why you believe the ban was unjustified. Address the specific reasons mentioned in the ban notification and provide evidence or context to support your claims. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal letter to the appropriate Stripe support email through their support portal. Make sure to include all relevant information and documentation to ensure your appeal is considered thoroughly. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response from Stripe. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up politely to inquire about the status of your appeal. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Stripe requires careful attention to detail and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having your ban lifted.